Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Dr. Rohan Krishnan, who is National President of National Chairman of FIMA Association, Doctor Association, and he tweeted like our WAC that the NEET PG 2023 eligibility cutoff date for internship completion is extended till June 23rd, and there is no update regarding the NEET PG exam postponement, and the exam is not going to postpone, but the date will be extended till June 23, and it was expected since it was communicated from the NMC officials as well that soon it will be declared, and soon you can expect on the official netboard the booklet will be published once again, and the candidates who were not doing the registration since they were not expecting the internship to be completed before 31st March, now they can do the registration and they can attend the examination. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel, and you can also follow us on our Instagram and Telegram group. Okay, the link is given in the description of the video. There you will keep receiving all the last year details like cutoff and important details about the colleges, fee structure, all the updates regarding NEET PG 2023. Okay, you can also call us on our number 9319128677. This number is available on WhatsApp also. You can do WhatsApp call and WhatsApp message as well. So that's it from my side. This was the update of the time. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.